Hello everyone, we are going to learn today to make a beautiful paper bird with this plain paper. Hope everybody is well, everybody is doing good. Alright, let's start. What we need to do is the first step. We need to fold this paper in this way. Make sure that every edge is sharp, nicely done, so we have a beautiful bird. There you go, there you go. Then we're just going to have a nice square paper. I'm not going to rush and confuse you. Keep this on the side. What we have now left is a square paper. Alright, so once we have this, we have to turn this into this way. Press it nicely, very nicely. Then same on this side. Alright, next, there you go. Again, make sure it is meeting all the points nicely. Alright, there you go. Press it nicely, press it nicely. And once it's done, it's going to shape you in this way. There you go. So we need to make this way. There you go. So it's going to look like this part. So these sides are open and that side is closed. So one side is closed, one sides are open. So this we have to hold this way. Let me do it on this side so you can see nicely. Put it like this, turn it around. Now things are coming in the middle. There you go. So that's one side. Same on the other side. There you go. Hold your fingers right there, thumbs right here. So same height. Turn it around. Keep it like that. Same on this side. Oops, sorry. There you go. So one side is open, one side is open, one side is closed. Then the next step is the side is open. You have to pull it like this, right there. That's one side. And that's another side. Don't make a head on both the sides of the board. Put the pressure on this side and this side, and that's your bird. There you go. Tick, 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 tick.